Okay, so in this lecture we will be covering how to record or collect primary data. So this is an important question, short note or long even, mostly short note, so this can be asked. So collection of data, primary data, there are four methods: direct personal observation, indirect personal observation, data collection through local reporters and agents, and data collection through questionnaires. So these are the four methods which we can use to collect primary data. Each has its own merit, demerit and definition, so we will learn these now. The first is this, that what is the name? So direct personal observation. So direct personal observation, data is collected by the person himself or herself, and that person who collects the data is called an invigilator. So the data is collected by the invigilator himself or herself. So merit is, it will be very accurate because the person himself or herself is collecting the data, and extensive details can be recorded. This spelling I wrote wrong, but extensive details can be, intensive or extensive details can be recorded. Okay. And demerit, expensive with respect to time and money and not suitable for large inquiry field. So if the field of inquiry is very large, then it is not suitable. Obviously one person will not be able to collect lots and lots of data, and it will be expensive in terms of time and money. Now indirect personal observation. So here data is collected by a third person, which is called as a witness. So the first person, primary person, is with personal observation performed by a person which is called invigilator. Here invigilator appoints witness, which is the indirect personal observation, third person. It saves time, that is its merit, but demerit is that it witness must possess information regarding the data. So witness must be literate basically, and witness must be willing to give the information. So witness must be willing to give the information. These are the two demerits of indirect personal observation. Okay. If you move ahead, the next is direct data collection through reporters. So it is very basic. Data collected by a person which is called agent, and on the behalf of the invigilator. So data collection through reporters or agents. So here data is collected by an agent or a reporter on the behalf of invigilator, and the merit is that it saves time and large area can be covered, but the demerit is that it is expensive. Approximate results can only be obtained because the agent will not be so willing or will not work so hard to give intensive details unless it is that person is very nicely paid. So that is the demerit of this data collection through questionnaire or reporters. Next is data collection through questionnaire. So questionnaire is the form which is made by the invigilator himself or herself. So that is the data collection through questionnaire. So merit is obviously vast area can be covered. So Google form can be made and can be can be distributed throughout the internet, then cheap and it takes less time. And demerit is that can be used if all informants are illiterate and responses may be poor. So this is the merit and demerit of data collection through questionnaires. Okay, thank you.